Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to have you here. If this is your first time of seeing me on your screen, I am adewoletemilolu. I am a businesswoman and also a health and wellness advocate and trainer. I produce majorly health and wellness content, healthy food recipes, and sprinkle some business content from time to time. So if you would want to keep seeing this, then I encourage you to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you will have notifications when I post a video every week. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can use portion control to achieve your weight loss goals. Are you watching me right now and you have been looking for how you can achieve a healthy weight or a healthy waist, a healthy midsection? I'm going to be showing you how you can use portion control to achieve your weight loss goals. Yes, you will agree with me that losing weight also takes is a process and it takes some sort of effort. And what I'll be showing today is part of the effort that you need to put in to achieve a healthy weight and also a loose tummy fat, and that is portion controlling your food. Like, food is a very important aspect. If you want to lose weight, you have to look at eating healthier, and you also have to look at what is actually in your plate and the quantity in your plate. And so practically today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use this to achieve your weight loss goals. Basically, one hack I want to be showing you today is that for you to achieve your weight loss goals, you have to eat, you have to take in lesser calories than your body needs. And one hack in which you can do that is actually to use smaller plates. This is even big. You have to use smaller plates so that you can actually have a smaller portion of food. Because if you use a very big plate, tendency is that you will want to fill up the plate with food and thereby consuming more calories than your body burns. And so once you do that, it stores as fat in your midsection and other areas. So yes, so I've given you one hack, and that hack is actually to use smaller plates when eating. Now let's go into portion control. Yeah, it's very important for you to know how you actually eat your food. I'm going to be practically showing you this. Very important is for you to basically balance your diet by taking in the right amount of vegetables, the right amount of protein, the right amount of carbohydrates, those three, and then fat, healthy fats, very important. Now, for you to do your portion control, you're going to divide your plate into half. And half of your plate, this half should be, of course, you're going to use a smaller plate, should be filled with vegetables. We have a lot of vegetables. Are very healthy, they are very good for the body. And if you're looking at losing weight, you have to eat lots of vegetables. They are low in calories, they help digestion, and so half here like this should be filled with vegetables. And then for this remaining half, you have to divide it into half again and ensure that if your carbohydrate is here, so let's say you're eating your rice, whatever carbohydrate filled food, it should just contain half of this. Your rice, your beans, whatever. Beans is also a proteinous food, but I'm just using that as an example. So it should be in this half, and then the other half should be your protein, maybe meat, your meat, fish, chicken. You eat less meat, take more fish, chicken, and the rest, they should be here. So you are not going to fill your whole plate. Let's say you're eating rice, for example. Now you're not going to fill your whole plate with rice. Half of it should be vegetables, then this quarter should be rice, and here should be your protein, and in a smaller plate. I tell you, if you do this for consistently, you're going to see a change. You're going to see a change in your weight, and also you're going to see a change in your tummy. Don't forget to add fats. We have avocados, we have nuts, and the rest. They're actually very good. So this is one way in which you can achieve your weight loss goals, by actually applying portion control when eating your food. I hope you've gotten value from this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments. And again, if you want to be getting more of this content, do well to hit the subscription button and also hit the notification bell so that you get to see more of my face and have more of my content. And also, before you go, I have a free gift for you. You can go to the information center, click on it. It's a recipe that you will love. Thank you so much for staying with me on this channel. Don't go. You can go to the next video because you're going to and lots of value. See you there. Bye.